Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I created this easy and everyday bronzy eye makeup. I have been using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I have already primed my eyes with concealer and translucent powder. First I'm taking the color Yacht on my finger and I'm applying it all over my mobile lid and a little bit above. Next, I'm taking my Morphe R39 brush with the color Cabana and the color Coastline, and I'm blending these two colors into my crease. I'm mixing these two colors because Coastline is a little bit too peachy for me and Cabana is a little bit too yellow. Now I'm taking the color Sails on a fluffy brush and I'm blending over the edges. Now I want to deepen up my outer corner, therefore I'm taking the Sigma E30 pencil brush with a bit of Palm and a little bit of Cabana on it. I'm again mixing two colors together and I'm applying these colors onto my outer corner. Then I'm taking my Morphe brush and I'm blending over the edges. Now I'm taking the same pencil brush we used before with the colors Cabana and Palm on it and I'm applying it to my lower lash line. Then I'm taking a bit of Coastline and Cabana and I'm blending out the darker color. Now I'm taking the color Yacht on my finger again and I'm reapplying the color to my lid. Some of it has faded because of the blending. Now I'm taking the color Sails on a Morphe M213 brush and I'm highlighting my inner corner and my brow bone with it. Now I am applying some mascara to my upper and lower lashes. Now this is the finished look. I hope that you like it. If you do, please hit the like button and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.